Okay, so we'll do a tutorial of the swing. I'll play the whole thing first. Okay, so starting off at the beginning, I'll do some of the right hand. Okay, so that's the main melody. Do the left hand, G, D, F sharp, D. Notice I'm holding them down, so I play the bottom, hold it, play, keep it down, hold it down, keep it down as you play this. So you started with G, D, then you go F sharp, D, and then you play E, B, and then you step down to D, B, and then you go down to the C, C, G, step up to the D, A, and you go back down to the C, but this time you play the B, and then D, and then the A. So putting those two together really slowly, it looks like this. Do essentially the same thing but up an octave. So the same thing you did before, they were down here, but now both hands go up an octave exactly. So it's not too tricky, it's just the same thing. Now this one changes a bit. Now the right hand goes over top the left hand, and you have this B right here. It's just under the C, okay? So your right hand's here on the E and the B. Now the right hand goes over top and starts with the B. Left hand comes over top the right hand. Right hand comes back up. G chord, and then top two notes. All right.